Everything to know about the 2022 Ariel Ace motorcycle. The 2022 Ariel Ace with Honda engineering and Bimota-inspired design is a Frankenstein that turned out to be a hand-built artwork on two wheels. We have seen quite a few factory custom motorcycles and even beautiful ones from famed custom houses. The latest one to fancy us has been the cool Indian FTR AMA Custom from Workhorse Speed Shop. But the 2022 Ariel Ace is a fusion of both worlds, factory custom and aftermarket madness. Based around the underrated Honda VFR1200 engine, the 2022 Ace is wrapped with elements that can only be described as art. From a painstakingly beautifully carved billet aluminum chassis to loads of optional bits, the 2022 Ariel Ace is a Frankenstein gone good. There is a design reciprocation with Ariel Atom, especially with the chassis situation. Ariel offers a plethora of optional bits that are sure to leave the buyer spoilt for choices. And thankfully, unlike the 203 horsepower all-carbon Ariel Ace R, that was limited to just 10 units, the Ace doesn't have a tab on it. And this artwork on wheels still awes us, even after 8 years of undulated existence. The only comparison that comes to mind is the beautiful creations from Keanu Reeves ARCH Motorcycles. The 2022 Ariel Ace with Honda engineering and Bimota-inspired design is a Frankenstein that turned out to be a hand-built artwork on two wheels. Forgotten Honda performance with a 173 HP V4 engine. Ariel has gone ahead with its longtime donor and packs the 2022 Ace with the much underrated 173 horsepower V4 engine from the Honda VFR1200. This motorcycle was a gem of a machine but came out during the wrong time. The donor machine was too futuristic for its time and couldn't shine forth. But Ariel has taken up that cause and given the forgotten Honda heart a befitting canvas. This 1,237cc engine churns out 86.6 pound-feet of torque and is coupled to either a 6-speed manual gearbox or an optional DCT from Honda. Ariel Ace with Honda power can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and has a top speed of 165 miles per hour. The ride quality is impressive and adaptive, thanks to the insanely desirable list of custom parts on offer. And the exhaust note on this machine is sure to put a grin on your face. Level of customization is insane on the Ace motorcycle. The most impressive part of the 2022 Ariel Ace motorcycle is its bespoke and customizable nature. Ariel has gone the distance to make its mean machine special. The aluminum chassis has an adjustable head angle from 21.8 to 28.4 inches. This is possible with the various options of suspension systems on this alien. The front fork setup is Showa as standard. But Ariel offers optional bits like Öhlins and even a milled aluminum girder front end coupled to a fully adjustable Öhlins TTX shocks for a complex yet artistic vibe. And this is just the start of what you can customize on the Ariel Ace in 2022. It also gets 4 seat options, 3 tank designs, adjustable footrests, and varying handlebars. As for the brakes, it comes with Nissin radials as standard, with other options on the table. Everything from the dampers, wheels, body panels and exhausts can be chosen and aligned to your liking. This machine can vary from being an all-out street fighter to a laid-back cruiser just by fiddling with these customizations. It is not shy about technology as well. The 2022 Ace comes with dual-channel ABS, switchable traction control, and shaft drive as standard. This is taken right off the Honda VFR1200. 2022 Ariel Ace packs aircraft-grade craftsmanship. Looks breathtaking. About the looks, where do we start? This machine embarks on being the most beautiful yet wild motorcycle out there. And we think they have achieved it, and the level of craftsmanship that goes into making one of these is bonkers. The complex-looking frame is a 6-piece aircraft-grade aluminum construction that takes 70 hours to fabricate. The design is done to mimic Ariel Atom's chassis construction and looks gorgeous. There is very little to be called body panels, but the ones that are present can be carved out of carbon fiber. The same as the story with those 7-spoke wheels, can be equipped with BST carbon wheels. Every component on the 2022 Ace is a piece of art and is built meticulously elsewhere. It is at Ariel's facility that it all comes together to form this art on wheels. The whole build takes around 150 to 200 hours. 2022 Ariel Ace. Pricing and availability. 2022 Ariel Ace Motorcycle HD wallpaper at the production facility via Arielmotor.co.uk. The MSRP of a base 2022 Ariel Atom is £20,829, $27,319. But we all know that someone looking out for something as bespoke as the Ariel Ace is not going to settle for the bare minimum. Thankfully, the Ariel Ace is not limited run like the meaner Ace R, so you can hop right onto Ariel Motors' official website, contact these cool dudes, and spec your 2022 Ace motorcycle.